Hello everyone. Today I will teach lesson how to draw Bartlett and wine. Step number 1. Draw outline with black pen. Start with bottle a small straight line. Step number 2. Shading the lighten area. Use 2B graphite powder. Step number 3. Shading the mid-tone area. Use 6B graphite powder. Step number 4. Shading the darken area. Use charcoal powder. Step number 5. Give shadow of bottle. Use charcoal pencil. Step number 6. Give highlights. Under the Bartlett, draw shadow shape according to the light direction. Draw the cast shadow. If you have any request for the new videos, leave them in the comment and I might do some of them. I hope